Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions, even if you're just trying to find a mop that won't give you a workout. Today, we're diving into the battle of the steam mops, the Shark S7000AMZ on my left, and the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner on my right. Get ready for a cleaning showdown that's steamier than a romantic comedy. Let's kick things off with the price. The Shark S7000AMZ comes in at a sizzling $169, making it the more premium choice. Reviewers appreciate its performance, but note that it is a bit pricier compared to other options. Meanwhile, the Schenley Steam Mop is a wallet-friendly $119. Many users highlight its affordability and value, making it a popular choice for those on a budget. Now, let's talk cleaning power. The Shark S7000AMZ boasts an automatic scrubbing mop head that delivers over 150 scrubs per minute. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness in cleaning tough stains, especially for pet owners. On the other hand, the Schenley Steam Mop is praised for its ability to tackle dirt and grime quickly, with users noting that it cleans floors in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. It's a solid option for those who want quick results. Moving on to features, the Shark S7000AMZ is designed for all sealed hard floors and offers 2 steam modes. Users love its versatility and ease of use across different floor types. Meanwhile, the Schenley is the multitasker with 7-in-1 accessories, allowing it to be used as a handheld steamer and more. Reviewers appreciate this versatility, especially for cleaning windows and hard-to-reach areas. Now let's get steamy with heating time. The Shark S7000AMZ takes a moment to warm up, but once ready, it performs exceptionally well. On the flip side, the Schenley heats up in just 15 seconds, which has users raving about its quick readiness for cleaning. If you're in a hurry, the Schenley is your best bet, as many reviewers have noted its efficiency in this regard. Finally, let's talk design and maneuverability. The Shark has a durable yet sleek look that's easy to maneuver, with many users appreciating its sturdy build. The Schenley, however, is lightweight and flexible with a 180-degree swivel, allowing for easy navigation around furniture. Reviewers often mention how easy it is to handle, making cleaning less of a chore. Overall, the Shark S7000AMZ is highly praised for its powerful cleaning capabilities and versatility, especially among pet owners. However, some users mention it is better suited for light cleaning due to its pads. In contrast, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner receives accolades for its efficiency, affordability, and quick heating time, though some users have experienced issues with durability and design. So who wins this steam mop showdown? If you're looking for a high-tech scrubbing experience and don't mind spending a little extra, the Shark S70000AMZ is your knight in shining armor. But if you want a budget-friendly, versatile cleaning powerhouse that's ready in a flash, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner takes the crown. Whichever you choose, just remember, cleaning doesn't have to be boring, and with the right mop, you can make it a little more fun. Comment below with your favorite mop or any cleaning tips you have. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to buy smart. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it funny.